G'day guys, welcome back. I've got something to celebrate. I didn't think I'd even get 20 subscribers on my channel, and guess what? I now have 300 subscribers. I can't believe it, it's bloody brilliant. Thank you very much. I know I've been at this for a little while and I'm not striving to get subscribers, but it's great that you guys are watching, and I hope you keep watching and hope you keep telling your friends about it. I'm only going to improve more and more all the time. Hopefully my videos will get better and better. I do have an upcoming video that's not that great, so the video quality isn't good, but it's okay to watch, so stick around for that. I'm celebrating a little bit. I have made a new logo, as you can see behind me here. I thought that would be a good touch. It's brilliant. I'll get a lot of information from you guys out there, and it's awesome. So guys, why I'm here today is because I just wanted to show you a little brew. These guys don't know I'm doing this, and I'm not going to share it with them. I just did it because I want you guys to see what's going on around here. I'm from Gippsland in Victoria, Australia, and this product is made here by 3 guys who decided to brew beer for the community. So they just brew this beer. It's only, I'd say they only have one flavour. I can't see anything else on their website at the moment. And what they do is they sell it to outlets around Gippsland and some Melbourne outlets, and all the profits they make through this beer goes straight back to charity, to the community. Absolutely brilliant. So on that, I'm now going to crack it. Where's my bottle opener? I've got a spoon. I'll try a spoon. We'll open her up. Nearly hit myself in the face. We'll see what it tastes like, eh? Pours nicely. It looks pretty good, actually. I like it. It is a nice flavoured beer. I have tried this at a restaurant, actually. Came across it. Really nice. So I'll come over and I'll show you what this looks like. It's nice and empty. I'm intending on drinking that other one too, by the way. So we've got a nice, clear, golden, beautiful beer, and it's a draft. So I'll come over here and show you. So we have nice, sparkling, very carbonated, or not overly clear. It does have a bit of cloudiness to it, which is fine. I don't mind that. Who cares? It's got flavour. So now I'm going to try it and give you guys an idea on what it tastes like, hopefully. All right, I'll get this out of the way. Definitely smells like clean bit of a hop aroma, not much. Just a mild hop aroma. Yeah. Tasted the foam. How about that? Anyway. Wow. It's got a pretty good sweetness to it. Not a lot of bitterness. Fruity. It's got a nice fruit flavour to it. I can't tell you what fruit it is, so hang on. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of an apple flavour, funny enough. I don't know if anybody ever gets apple flavours out of a draft beer, but anyway, definitely getting an apple flavour. Almost like apple, mashed apples. Really nice. This is a very nice beer. Wow, very nice beer. It's, oh, I like it. I'll be buying this a lot more often, I think. And it's for charity, so why not? So that is brilliant. Lovely beer. Very nice. These guys should be proud of what they've done here. And I think anybody out there who drinks this, they're going to have a ball. Good stuff. So looking at the bottle, it's about 4.9% alcohol volume. And it's a community beer project. So I'll post up a label, a full label. They have pictures on their website of these labels and everything else. So I'll use that and I'll post it up on the video I'm doing now. Just to show you guys what's going on, I'll give you a link to their website down below. And yeah, we'll go from there. So to summarise today, I need a quick video. I just wanted to show you a beer, let you know about my 300 subscribers and the new logo. So I hope you like it. Keep watching, there's more to come. I'm going to hopefully improve my videos as I go. The editing is going to get better and better. We'll see how we go. Except for the next video, it's going to be crap. No, I'm joking. It should be fine. Enjoy. Have a good one. Cheers. Oh, wow, that's nice. Very nice beer.
Bye.